everybody. Today, Saachi is back again. So today, do you know about star-shaped things? Not only the stars in the sky, there are lots of other star things around us. Let's see. First, these are the stars. So, let's see star things around us. Let's see. So, starfish are shaped in stars and star-shaped cookie cutters. Of course, we all sure do love cookies and star-shaped stickers. We love star-shaped because glittery and star-shaped fireworks that blast in the sky and star-shaped pasta and stars, of course. We all know there are stars in the sky and star-shaped tinsel. We have star-shaped tinsels and star-shaped lights that are bright. And star-shaped Christmas tree ornaments that we have on the Christmas tree. And star-shaped flowers, of course. And star-shaped fruits like starfruit or cambola. And star-shaped leaves. And what's next? Star-shaped seashells. And star-shaped hole punch that we can get some star papers. And star-shaped candle holder. And star-shaped paper lanterns that we have on Halloween. And 17 is star-shaped magnets. And 18 is star-shaped fruit cutters. Cut the fruits. We cut fruits with that. And star-shaped puzzles. Isn't that fun? And star-shaped ice cube tray. Cool ice. And last but not least is star-shaped wall decals or decorations. Star-shaped wall decorations. So, if you know any more star things, then let me know. Stay tuned for